Introduction. 1. Visual, futuristic AI animation with a voiceover introduction. 2. AI is not just the future, it's the present, transforming industries and opening doors for innovative business opportunities. If you've ever wondered how you can make money using AI, this video is for you. We'll explore top AI-powered business ideas, real-world success stories, and practical steps to get started. Let's dive in. Section 1. AI-powered content creation business. 1. AI-powered content tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and Pictory.ai are changing the way content is generated. 2. How to start an AI content agency, offering AI-generated blog writing, copywriting, and social media content. 3. Case study, a freelance writer scaling their business 3x using AI-assisted tools. 4. Monetization strategies, subscription-based services, one-time content packages, and AI-based SEO services. Section 2. AI chatbot development business. 1. ChatGPT, Dialogflow, and Riser can be used to build AI chatbots for businesses. 2. How to create and deploy chatbots for customer support, e-commerce, and lead generation. 3. Example, a small e-commerce store increasing sales by 40% using AI chatbots. 4. Monetization strategies, selling chatbot development services, offering chatbot subscriptions, or white-label chatbot solutions. Section 3. AI-powered stock and crypto prediction. 1. AI-based stock prediction tools using machine learning and deep learning models. 2. How hedge funds and retail investors are using AI for financial forecasting. 3. Example, neural networks analyzing market sentiment and price trends. 4. Monetization strategies, subscription-based financial prediction models, AI-powered trading signals, and stock analytics platforms. Section 4. AI-based video and image generation services. 1. Using AI tools like Runway ML, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney for generating high-quality images and videos. 2. Business ideas, AI-generated social media content, digital art, and AI-powered video editing services. 3. Example, a YouTube creator automating 80% of their video production with AI tools. 4. Monetization strategies, selling AI-generated designs, subscription-based content packs, and AI-driven video editing services. Section 5. AI-powered SaaS product development. 1. Developing software as a service, SaaS, products powered by AI. 2. Examples, AI-powered writing assistants, voice synthesis tools, and automated data analysis platforms. 3. Case study, Grammarly as an AI-powered SaaS success story. 4. Monetization strategies, subscription models, freemium upgrades, and enterprise solutions. Section 6. AI-based personalization and recommendation systems. 1. AI-powered recommendation engines used in e-commerce, media, and content platforms. 2. How companies like Netflix and Amazon use AI to boost engagement. 3. Business idea, creating AI recommendation plugins for small businesses and websites. 4. Monetization strategies, selling AI-powered plugins, SaaS-based recommendation services, and enterprise AI solutions. Section 7. AI-powered voice and speech technology business. 1. AI-powered voice assistants, speech-to-text applications, and AI-generated voices. 2. How AI tools like 11 Labs and Descript are changing the voiceover industry. 3. Business idea, AI-generated podcast editing, audiobook narration, and AI-driven voiceovers. 4. Monetization strategies, selling AI-generated voice services, voice-based SaaS solutions, and licensing AI voice technology. Section 8. AI-powered healthcare and diagnostics. 1. AI's role in medical imaging, diagnostics, and health monitoring. 2. How startups are using AI to detect diseases early and provide virtual healthcare assistance. 3. Business idea, AI-powered health monitoring apps and diagnostic tools. 4. Monetization strategies, partnering with healthcare providers, B2B AI diagnostic tools, and AI-based wellness platforms. Conclusion and final thoughts. 1. AI is an incredible opportunity, and now is the time to take action. Whether you want to create AI-powered content, build chatbots, or develop SaaS products, there are countless ways to make money with AI. Choose a niche, start experimenting, and scale up your business. The AI revolution is here, and you can be a part of it. Call to action. 1. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more AI insights, and comment below which AI business idea you're most excited about. See you in the next one.